Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a DIY for you guys today. This was inspired by Knack 57. He got inspired by the nail Q, so she made a video shouting her out, and I'm going to make a video shouting Knack 57 out because I haven't saw the nail Q's video yet. And yeah, I have went ahead and we're going to be making spider gel. Now, I don't know if you guys saw me mix my white spider gel way back when with pigment. It was like a neon spider gel. If you guys haven't watched that, I'm going to put it up in the information bar. But you can color it using just regular white spider gel. But this one is really cool because you can make all colors. Any color you want. All you need is just a couple items that you probably already have at your own home. One of those items being a thick base coat. Now, what I used to make this one was actually my GLAM'S Builder in a Bottle, and it's clear. And it's called Pure Serenity. And it was really thick, so I figured let's try it. But it is a builder gel. You can try it with any builder gel. Let me just show you real quick what it did to make this one. Oh, am I in frame? As you can see, I mean, it's pretty sticky. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to leave that open. I don't know if it'll thicken up or not, but probably not. It's a gel. Okay, but I wanted to try her method because the one that she did was a little more stickier than that one. But I just wanted to try the clear builder gel. So with the blue one, I did the clear builder gel. I mixed a little bit of that with my Gel Favor gel paint. It's kind of like an aqua color. It was the closest blue I had to my apple barrel blue. Okay. So this one is called Blue Bonnet, and it's actually a matte acrylic paint. You don't have to get matte, I guess. I'm pretty sure you can probably get glossy. Things I used to make this one. And we're going to be using it in a minute. But I'm going to make one with you guys as well. I'm going to go ahead again and take my Madam Glam base. And I'm going to wipe it in there. Okay, I guess about that much. A little bit more. My ROSILAND paint. I'm not going to use a lot of that, just a little bit. I probably use a little bit more than that, but for now that's what I'm using. Mix it up with the Clear Builder by Madam Glam. It's actually a pretty color. It's not changed. Not a whole lot anyway. Alright, let's add the magic. Now we grab our acrylic paint. A little bit of acrylic paint in there. Now I'm just adding one little tiny drop to begin with. See the tiny drop right on top? I'm going to see how it does with the one little drop first. Alright, it's starting to thicken up. The more you stir, the more it starts to get like bubble gum. But you want it to be stringy. I'm going to add a little bit more of my acrylic paint because we didn't put a whole lot in there. One more little drop. Okay, go ahead and mix that in. Sorry guys. Alright, mix that in really good. It's actually getting thicker now. So I guess it's the acrylic paint that's making it thick, like a spider gel. I don't know how it does this, but it's really cool. I'm going to use my alpha liner, or alpha detailer brush. And this one is actually really stringy. I think I need to add a little more. I don't know what I added too much of there. This one's perfect. Anyway. See, it's still sticky. Grab it, pull it down. You can do thick lines, you can do thin lines, just like a regular spider gel. You can wrap it around and around. Alright, I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to get into the purple. With the purple, let's turn this way. Okay, yeah, it's working. I guess the more you let it set, the better it gets. I'm gonna do let's see. Wow, this stuff is sticky. It's really just like spider gel, you guys. Isn't that neat? Wow, thank you, Knack57. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. So we have the purple and the blue. And we used my Madam Glam builder in a bottle. Let me go ahead and use the ROSILAND paint. And we used the Gel Favor paint. I do have videos, reviews on these two. Or on the whole collection. Oh, not the whole collection, but the ones that they sent me. I do have reviews on those, guys, if you want to go and check that out. I will try to remember to leave it in. I will leave it in the little information bar at the top of the screen. I need the acrylic paints, so I have the purple one. I have my blue one. So right there, that's all you need. A base or builder clear, your acrylic paints, your gel pots. You can use LV May, any kind of gel pots. And there's your spider gel in different colors. Sorry guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use my clear rubber top coat. I'm gonna get my opal gems if I can find them. Now, I think those would be really pretty. And get my little triangle here. Put a couple of these down here. Go over. This is really good for stones too. It'll hold, like, it holds stones really, really well. And it encapsulates the nail really well. And it's just a simple top coat. It's a very thick top coat, but it's a nice top coat. You want to rub it on and let it level out. And I'm just going to add my crystals randomly throughout the nail. Like I said, this top coat is stupendous for holding on gems. It works absolutely fantastic. You guys go check out Knack57's channel. I'm going to link it down below in the description box, so you guys can go over there and check it out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back, and we'll see the final results. Guys, you know what I was thinking, you guys? I was thinking maybe you could use the clear blossom gel. That might work as well, because it's pretty thick. The blossom base, and actually that might work, guys. That might work. If you have an Emily blossom base, try that one. If you don't have the Madame Glam, try that. If you guys want me to try this in other colors, let me know in the comments below. And there we have it. There is our beautiful inspired nail. Spider gel, colorful spider gel nail. Pink and blue. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you again, Knack57, for your fabulous tutorial. You explained it so very well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, sweetheart. It's an amazing idea. And guys, don't forget to go check out the other one that I did where I mixed my white spider gel with pigment. And I think I mixed it with color changing polish. Or no, it was color changing pigment. And made color changing spider gel. So I thought that was pretty cool too. But anyway, we'll just have to play around. I mean, that'd be cool if we could find some colored changing acrylic paint. Ooh, the glow in the dark one. I'll have to put that on my list. I'll have to get the glow in the dark acrylic paint and try it. Yes, who wants to see that? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go so I can go to bed. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to go click the notification bell so you know when I upload. And check out next video down below in the comment. And I'll pin it in the comment section. Alright, once again, thanks, Knack. I absolutely love it. Turned out fabulous. Fabulous. Bye, y'all.